Hi, I'm Daniel, and I'm here to explain about this little solar propeller. Here I have a lamp. Let's see what happens. I turn the lamp on. Very bright. You see the solar panel and this propeller. Let's see what it does. As you can see, it's spinning. Now let's check out the energy forms.
Kids, we have 10 minutes. If you finish your video in the first 30 seconds, that doesn't make for a very good...
There is light energy, obviously. There's electrical energy, motion energy. You know, because the propeller motions. Wait. Sound energy, one of the byproducts. And those are the energies of the propeller. And let's do this one last time. Woo!